Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of this Morovan Builder Gel. There are 6 colors, all a different variety / shade of green. The kit comes with forms, a brush, a file, and some instructions. I also did swatches of each of these, so this is an unboxing / swatches. I did the base coat for all of them. I only took a video of one because that can just be very repetitive. And I only did one coat of this. Of course, if we did multiple coats, it's going to be a deeper, richer, more vibrant color, but we ain't got time for that. We did not have time for that this time. But I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know your thoughts. I know they're kind of one note, but when you do put them all together in the final, showing of all of them, you do see the differentiation in the different greens. I will say that much. The kit itself, I tried to look on Amazon to see if it was still up there. It actually isn't, but they do have different color ways of the same exact kit. So I'll still link it in the description, and maybe you'll like the different colors that they have available. But yeah, let me know what you think. And these are all the colors. Let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to like and subscribe.